alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my dear friends, I hope you are fit and fine. This is Taslim. Today I am going to share with you about my family. Do you know about my family? There are 10 members in our family. My father, my mother, my sister, my brother and me. Come with me and meet my family. And my grandfather, my grandmother, uh, my uncle, and my cousin also, my aunt in my family. We are happy family. We are very proud with our family because our family is very careful. Everybody try to help anyone. That's why we are feel very happy. In our family, we live together. We live together. We eat together. We gossip together all the time. When anyone angry, that time I try to happy, try to make happy. That's why we are feel happy. We are our family, Alhamdulillah, right now, happy family in the world. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. No more today. See you again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.